Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Bitmart account's password. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you're trying to log into your Bitmart account but you are unable to remember your password, then first tap open your Bitmart application, and from the main homepage of Bitmart, tap on the human icon at the top left hand corner. Tap sign in at the very top, and in case you don't remember your password for your Bitmart account, tap on forgot password link. You can either enter your mobile number or your email address. Make sure to enter the same information you chose during signing up for Bitmart. Since I signed up using email, let me type in my email. Go ahead and type in your email or your phone number and make sure to type in the correct one. Once you type in your email, tap next. Complete the verification puzzle, and once you do that, you'll be able to see this interface. You need to type in an email code sent to your email address, or if you've typed in your mobile number, you'll receive an SMS code on your mobile number. To get it, simply tap the send button and wait until the code arrives on your inbox or your SMS. Open up your email or your SMS and you should receive a login password reset link. Give it a tap to open, copy the code, and go back to Bitmart app. Paste in the code that you received in the text box where it says email code, and now tap OK. Soon after you do that, you'll see that you can now easily reset your password. Type in the new password you would like to reset to, and now reconfirm the password by typing it again in the next field. Once you're done creating a new password, tap OK. Now, next time you log into your account, you'll need to type in the new password that you created for your account. Type in your email or your mobile number in the first text box and type in the new password that you just reset to. Finally, tap the sign in button, complete the verification puzzle. You'll again need to enter your verification code that has been sent on your mobile number or your email. Open up the verification code from your inbox, copy the code, go back to the app and paste it in the text box. Finally, tap next, and that is how you can easily reset your password for Bitmart. Next time you log into your account, remember that you recently reset your password. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.